Finally, we're going to check out books. Yes! Everyone may check out 2 books of their choice. Read the books, enjoy. You may return them when you are finished reading. If it takes a few weeks, that's fine. Great! The library goal is for you to enjoy reading and read as much as you can. What? No library cards this year? That's right, no library cards. We will check out using our lunch number, last name, or first name. Whoa! After you find your name and you've clicked on your blue letters, you need to scan the front of the book. The barcode on the back is for the store, not the library. Use the barcode on the front. Be sure to click Reset on the left of the screen in the white box when you've scanned all your books. That way, the computer is ready for the next person, and they won't accidentally check your books out under your name. After you click Reset, you may read your library books or go to Makerspace. Happy reading!